Holly McKhann coming to you from West Park, Irvine with this fabulous townhome. This home is 3-bed, 2.5 bath with 1,600 square feet, and it's an end unit. You know what else makes it special? It's got a 2-car attached garage with a 2-car driveway for a total of 4 parking spaces. That is unheard of in Irvine. So not only that, but as you can tell, it's beautifully updated. Let me give you a tour of the whole home. As you first enter the home, you're greeted by soaring vaulted ceilings, and you see this lovely cozy fireplace. This is the first seating area, and of course it's flooded with natural lights from the multitude of windows. Adjacent to the living room is open to this dining area, which you can see would comfortably seat 4 to 6 people. It also opens from here into the kitchen. Lovely open concept into this newly renovated kitchen. Let's go look at the details there. The kitchen features brand new white shaker cabinetry with lovely gold accent handles and stainless steel appliances. The cabinets are topped off with brand new quartz countertops and a herringbone backsplash, right on trend. As you continue from the kitchen into this flex space, this could be used for all kinds of things. We have it shown as a seating area where maybe you have a TV, or it could be a home office, a workout area, or even for a large dining table. Down the hall from the primary suite are the 2 secondary bedrooms. They're also large with vaulted ceilings, and they feel extra big. The primary suite feels extra large with vaulted ceilings, and you've got a ceiling fan and lots of windows for more natural light. As you enter into the bathroom area, you'll see we have a brand new vanity, white shaker style, with the quartz countertops again, and you have 2 separate closets in this primary suite and a separate toilet and shower room. This community also features pools and spas. It's walkable to the local marketplace shopping center, and it is in the University High School boundaries. It's got so many wonderful things about it, so make sure you come and take a tour before it's gone.